Good morning! So for today's video, we want to try out Maybelline products because Maybelline is available in Kenya. This isn't an advertisement, by the way. I guess we can start with this Maybelline Tattoo Brow. I don't know if it's available here in Kenya. I hope it is. I'll find out the price and I'll put it up below, and also find out how much I got this from a store called DM. But anyway, let's get into it. So the color I got was 06 deep brown. So I think it says it lasts up to 2 days. I don't know, I hope I can draw my eyebrows properly. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and it comes with this little brush. I guess that helps to like comb everything out. Okay, so it says step 1. Is there supposed to be another brush? Or is it the inside? Let's open it and see. Ah, okay, so it's the inside. So step 1 is remove excess formula from the tip. Okay, so when you first open it, this is how much focus. Is it focusing? You have to do that YouTube thing. First, this is how much comes out. So it says to remove excess. So we'll just like put it into the bottle so we don't have too much coming out. Okay, that's step 1. And then, oh, that's just a pro tip. Okay, start at the mid-brow, fill and blend outwards. Okay, so she starts in the middle and then moves outwards and then a bit inwards, I guess. Okay. And the next step is fill, trail, and then blend with spoolie. Okay, so I'm gonna just be looking into my mirror as I do this. So firstly, I think I need to comb my brows, so I'll just use this to comb my brows so I can see the shape of my brows. I like to comb everything upwards, so I'm just combing everything like upwards so I can see where it is that I need to fill. And then also, I'm not a makeup artist, I'm just testing out products, everyday products. So we put start in the center, so that's the center. So I'm just like lightly brushing it there. And then I want like longer brows, so I'll go more up here and try to elongate that a bit, and then up, and then elongate that a bit. Okay. Actually, I think they were right about starting from the center. So because I think I have fuller brows a bit like in the middle, so I don't need to put too much. So I'm just light, very light strokes. And then a bit more down here. Okay, so this eyebrow has something, this eyebrow doesn't. And then we go in also on the other side. Okay, so there it is. I hope it's not too thick. It doesn't, when I look at it, doesn't look too thick. So I don't know how long, does it say how long to keep it? Blend with spoolie. I don't know how long this is supposed to stay on for. For best results, avoid using oil-based or classic makeup removes on brows area. While wearing the product, avoid scrubbing or exfoliating the brow area. So it's supposed to last up to 2 days. Does not transfer, does not smudge, waterproof. Okay, I guess we'll see. But am I supposed to not wash my face? I'm not sure. But anyway, so this is the brows. I guess we'll see. I couldn't find this one, but then I realized they could be more or less the same thing, but they're both by Maybelline. I don't know what the difference is. So one is Sky High, and this is Lash Sensational, and I love this mascara. I can swear by this mascara. I've been using this mascara for a few years, and it just like gives you the swoosh. It just like, it makes everything look so much better and thicker. So I've been using this, so I guess we can try it on different eyes and see what the difference is between the two. Both by Maybelline. Okay, So on this eye, the right eye, we're going to use Sky High. And, ooh, okay, so the brush already we can see is, oh, okay, I'm gonna have to put my hand here. You can see the brush, the nib of the brush is very thin, and it looks like very thick but thin bristles. I don't know what that changes. I'm not a makeup artist, but we're gonna try it and see. So start from, you can, if I have very short eyelashes, so I'll start from the bottom, just trying to, from inwards first, because I have very short lashes, so I'll do inwards. And I like to put it and then look up. So it just combs it on itself, and then we do the outside. I still don't know what the difference is between the two, but I guess we'll see. Okay, I'm feeling like it's making it very clumpy at the tip, but maybe I just don't know how to properly use this. But yeah, it's a very interesting brush. I don't know what the significance of this type of brush is supposed to be. Okay, so I've done it on one side. Oh, and it's very bendy as well. My favorite, this, I swear by this mascara. I'm gonna use it on this eye. So see, this one, the brush is thicker and it curves at the center. So there's like a curve at the center, and it's like and it has longer bristles. I think especially for me who has very short eyelashes, this works better because it's really able to like go in there. So again, I go from down and then I go up. And I use the longest side, and I go up, up, up. Okay, I've gotten some on my lid, but it's fine. And then I use the edge of it to like do these hairs that are more inwards. Oh, I should have done eyeliner first, but anyway, we can go in next to the eyeliner. Since we'll just be using on the edges anyway, it should be fine. Yeah, I think this is just better. Okay, let me come closer so you can see. So this eye is the Lash Sensational, and then this eye is the Sky High. So which one do you think did better? I really like it. Like, I feel like this one just makes it much longer. Yeah, this one just has like an element to it. Okay, and then next we are going to go in with the Maybelline Matte Liquid Lasting Eyeliner. We can see how that is, and look at the brush as well. So the brush at the edge is very, oh, focus. So I think it's slowly. So the brush at the edge is very soft. It's a very bendy brush at the edge, and then the tip, it's not as thin as I like it, but it's thin enough. So we're just gonna go in with that. So I just like to start from the corner and then sweep in. So for just everyday looks, I don't like to put too much, so that when I'm going out, I feel like I'm going somewhere. I don't know if that makes sense. I feel like I'm putting more of an effort, but this is just like everyday look. So from the corner and then in. Okay, so I hope it's even. That's how it's looking with the blush. This color is a bit peachy. I will find out exactly what color this is because the label at the back sort of peeled out. But yes, this is how long I've been using this for. So just get a tiny brush and swoop, swoop, swoop. And then just on the cheeks. On the cheeks. Okay, so next we're gonna go for the lips, and I have 4 different tubes. I have 4 different colors. This I've had for a while. This is the Maybelline Super Stick Color 20 Pioneer. I feel like this color, this red, works on everyone. I don't know if this is the one they were advertising specifically that's supposed to be like a red for all, but yes, this is a really nice red. And this one is the color 270. It's the color Cocoa Connoisseur, which is like a maroon, but it has like a red undertone. I really love this. And then this is their Lifter Lip Gloss, Maybelline. I got this in the color Petal, and I absolutely love this as well. And then this is the Super Stay 24-hour color. I think it's like a 2-in-1. So it's oh sorry, this is the color 585 Burgundy. So yeah, this I think is a 2-in-1. It comes with a, so it says before, let color dry before applying balm. So you're supposed to put the color first and then you put the balm on top. So we're just gonna test out all 3. I've got some wet wipes so we can just like get it all out. So number 1, I think we can do this red Super Stay, though today I'm not gonna be doing red, but we can just test it out and see how it goes. I feel like my lips are really dry, so this is like a matte, so we'll have to maybe put lip gloss on top. Yeah, I haven't even used a liner, but I'm using a bit of my lip itself as a liner. I'm trying to do a generous amount. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's how it's looking, and I think it's looking great. It's a red. Okay, it's still maybe not enough time has passed for it to dry, but yeah, okay, now it's dry. Now it's drying. Okay, it's still sticky. Maybe I shouldn't be doing that. But yeah, now it looks matte. Yeah, now it looks completely matte. We'll just go in with the next color so we can see what it looks like. So because it's matte, I like to go in with an oil-based remover, but you can just use any sort of oil to get that off, because I think it's supposed to be 24-hour. Is it 24 hours or is it just Super Stay? Not 24 hours, but Super Stay. So yeah, I've just got some oil-based remover. And that, yeah, it comes off really quickly with an oil-based. But yeah, I guess the color is really strong because even while wiping it off, it still has stained my lips a bit. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the Super Stay 24 color. And this is the color 585 Burgundy. So we're just gonna go in with that. Oh, it's a really nice brown. Oh, my lips are really peeling. I just feel the cracks. This is from hiking without putting on sunscreen on my lips. But yeah, this is what it looks like without any liner or anything, and I think it looks great. I think it looks really nice even without the lip balm, and I don't know if it's gonna stain the lip balm, but it says you should wait for it to dry. So we're gonna do that. Oh, and it didn't transfer onto this, so I think you really do have to wait until it dries. And that's how it looks. It gives like a glossy feel. I really like the feel of this actually. It feels really nice. It feels really nice like with this. Okay, that was, yeah, I think this is definitely your product to get. I guess you just have to wait for it to dry, and I guess you can also use the lip balm on its own. So now we're gonna wipe that off. Okay, so we've gotten more or less all of that off. And then next we're gonna go into with a color that I really love. It is the color 270. Okay, this is how it looks. It looks very, and it smells, it doesn't have a smell, but I feel like, looking at it, I feel like I've got chocolate on me. and it feels really nice. So that's how it looks, and this is like without any lip liner or anything. I think it looks great. Okay, it's the Lifter lip gloss. Keep mixing up these names. The Lifter lip gloss, and this is the color 005 Petal, and this is I think this is almost done, and it has like bits of like gold in it, so just go in lightly. And that's what it looks like. I could go in with a bit more, and that's what it looks like. So yeah, that is just a very simple look, but this is like number one Maybelline product. I love this. This lip gloss, it's good. And yes, this I like this because of the color. It's a really nice color. I feel like it looks so nice, especially in like brown skin tones. This is a really nice color. Brown and deep skin tones, I think this would look really nice. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoy that. If you want me to make more videos, I'm gonna make more videos anyway. So just like and subscribe, and tell me what products you want me to try next. Bye!